Hey, how's everyone doing? I want to introduce you all to a mini bike that we found for $80 here. A guy sold it to us. He just had it sitting in his garage. Didn't use it because he tried taking apart the carburetor. I don't know for what reason. So when you turn on the gas here, it starts leaking. So what we're gonna do is try to make it run again. It also has some wires that were put on there, like homemade. It has some homemade wires and some crazy stuff going on there that I'm thinking it's avoiding it to run. So we're gonna see if there's any luck in fixing it, and if not, then we'll go get a new one. I'm gonna put this one down here, and we're gonna start taking it apart. So see what we can find that was add on to this. Hopefully we can get it running. Out. And there you guys can see the carburetor. There's the carburetor. See how I was telling you guys, this wire here looks like it was added on for some reason, not too sure. Then underneath over there, you see that wire right there? Right there, yeah, this one, that was added on as well. So I don't know why. All right guys, so today's a different day. Last night we were able to get this thing running here. The main problem was that in the middle of the carburetor, where it shoots the gas up to the engine, it was really dirty. It has some dirt in there and whatnot. So we cleaned that out, and now the gas shoots right up into the engine. So we were able to get this thing running. We also did some adjustments here with the springs. I don't know if you guys can see much in there. So we're gonna get this thing going and we're gonna go for a ride. It has a kill switch here, so we'll make sure that's on. And I'm gonna put the camera down for a little bit, so bear with me. Take it for a spin here in my alley. Check it out. All right, let's go. This thing is crazy fast. Alright guys, so we're gonna go over there to the edge. We're gonna turn around and come back to my house. I want to introduce you guys. This is my alley here. Oh shoot, we got some cops. Oh shoot, bear with me guys. This thing wants to go. Oh shit, the cops are over there. This thing is not cooperating with the cops. Guys, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Woohoo! Yeah! Guys, you see here? It's crazy fast. Okay. Voila! That's good! Hi! Yeah. Suto. bro? How do you like it?
All right.
Eh? We're gonna be doing some other modifications to it, so hope you guys like this video. We're gonna keep taking it for spins, and we'll do some other modification in the next video for this one. Stay tuned, guys.